best trading platform. Yeah, choosing the best and the right trading platform is crucial for success. You got me clear? Choosing the right trading platform is the best leading way to success. And allow me to take you through on the best trading platform for you. Don't play, stay tuned. A good platform must make trade easy, fast, and more profitable for you as a trader. A good trading platform must also be beginner friendly, that even by yourself you will be able to learn one or two things. And I'm going to take you through on a couple of simple tools that help me in my trading journey. And number one is the Meta 5. If you know the Meta 5, very good. Meta 5 and Meta 4 is the very nice tool for you to use as a trader. It's a very nice surface for Forex trader. And number two is the trading view. The trading view is the best for analysis, bro. If you're talking about trading as a whole, you're talking about trading, the Forex trading, the crypto trading, every other trading like the index, you're talking about the trading view. You're talking about the stock, talking about the commodity. You can use trading view best for analysis. Then when you're talking about broker, bro, you're talking about the J market. I love this broker. It's a broker that I always want to use, because when you deposit, you make 50% of that deposit. You gain 50% bonus. I always say this in my videos. Like, for example, you deposit $100, you trade additional $50 in your balance. Now, J Market will be able to give you additional $50 from that your $100. That is all in all. In your account, you are having worth of $200. I don't know if you understand. You deposit $100. You trade up to $50, that's 50% of your deposit. Now you will be credited automatically 50% of your deposit. That's the best broker I've ever met. Then the next tools is the MEXC. That's the best for trading crypto. If you want to hunt crypto, that are just launching in the next 1 minute, in the next 2 hours, if you want to trade those big crypto like the Bitcoin and the rest, you are talking about the MEXC. That's for the MEXC, MXCE. All the link will be in the description, and all the link will also be in the comment section. You can check the comment section for all these links. There are various links for this. This is my promo link. If you do well to use it, you will get all these bonuses I'm talking about. All these platforms I'm giving to you, they have different strengths on their own capacity. So do well to choose the one that fits your trading style. Then number two, we are talking about the essential trading tools. These are the tools we use for our fundamental analysis. Number one, we have the economic calendar. The economic calendar is the best material used for market events. If you want to know the market event, you go for economic calendar. The second on our list is trading view indicator. When you're talking about trading view indicator, you are talking about indicator that will give you the best analysis, the better analysis for every other trade you're talking about. You're talking about the gold, the USD, the crypto. Trading view indicator is the best indicator for you to use to analyze better. Then once you're talking about the news, I prefer CNBC. CNBC is best to forecast the news, both in Forex sector and index. So for now, these are the right tools to make trading easy and more better for you. And most of you that are asking me, which broker are you using to trade? Which broker do you use to trade the index? I use H Market. If you know H Market, they are very good. You can get them, go to the Play Store, search H Market, and you can get them, or I can put the link in the comment section for you. Now you know the best trading platform. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your account in some of these tools that we mentioned. If you have any of these platforms that I did not mention, can you drop it in the comment? And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, just subscribe so that you get more information, more video when we post our next update. Thank you. Stay blessed.